Hello everyone, welcome to Campus Express, a podcast where GL University brings to you its shining stars who bagged exceptional placements, internships and even won hackathons. And in today's episode, we have with us Naman, Shyama and Ananya who went up to the final round of JP Morgan and Chase's Code for Good event. So I am glad to have you all here. Now let's begin with their introduction. Naman, please introduce yourself to the audience.
Hello everyone, I'm Naman Gupta, a third year student BTech CSE at GL University Mathura.
Hello everyone, I am Shyama Agarwal, final year BTech CSE student at GL University.
Hello everyone, I am Ananya Agarwal, a final year student at BTech CSE Honours from GL University Mathura. Thank you Dwanshi for calling me here.
So thank you all for this great introduction. I am very glad to have you all here. Now let's get to the main discussion. So Naman, tell us about कि application procedure क्या था? JP Morgan and Chase जो event था Code for Good, how did the application procedure start? Please let us know.
So first of all, the students with 8.5 or more CPI was supplied with the forms by TNP department of the college. Then we have to submit those forms with our resume, and the one who got shortlisted in first round was proceeded over to second round.
All right Naman, so that was the first round जहाँ पे आपके resume shortlist होने वाले थे. तो जिनके resume shortlist हो गए, श्यामा मैम प्लीज बताइए कि उसके बाद क्या हुआ?
The second round was the coding round. There we were given 2 DSA questions which we have to attempt in 1 hour. The platform was HackerRank and all those candidates who clearly passed the coding round were proceeded to the next round, which is the higher view interview round.
Okay Shyama, so this was the coding round. So resume application, then coding, and now the third round. So Ananya, please explain that what was there in the third round.
Okay, so Dwanshi, third round is the interview round. So this round taking place on the higher view platform. In this, you are given again 2 situational based questions, or we can say the HR based questions. You should have to be recorded 2-minute video and you should have to be upload this on the higher view. If let's suppose a video is not well prepared or well not performed, you are also given one chance more to record it again and upload it on the higher view again. So when you successfully clear the higher view round, you are finally enter into the Code for Good hackathon at JPMC.
Well, that's great. That means you all made it to the final round. That was the hackathon. So Naman, tell us कि hackathon का क्या procedure था, वो hackathon कहाँ होनी थी, and like what was the experience all about?
So hackathon were held at Bangalore, JPMC new office, and we were given flight tickets. किसको पता था flight tickets मिलेगी? I was first time traveling in flight, and when I reached the office, I was shocked. मैंने इतना बड़ा ऑफिस कभी नहीं देखा था. The vibe was amazing, people were amazing, and the cafeteria, that was also amazing.
Wow Naman, first flight वो भी JPMC ने दी. That's like you were so lucky. So when you reached there, you told us about everything. Now comes the main part, that is the hackathon. So Ananya, tell us कि hackathon का procedure क्या था? आपको problem statements कैसे दी गई?
So when we arrived at the JPMC office, we are combined with the 7 different team members. They are from different colleges. So we are having the meeting with the NGOs. There are 4 NGOs in the conference hall of the JPMC. They all discuss their problem statements. When we heard their problem statements, we are given a form and a timer of 1 minute. In that, we should have to be submit our form that in which problem statement we want to be work on. And on the basis of the first come and the first serve, we get the problem statement. After that, we go to the coding floor, brainstorm the problem statement, and at 11 we start our coding session. In the early 7:30 in the morning, our coding cutoff take place. After that, we are unable to push a single line of code on the GitHub.
Well, this hackathon round sounds something hectic. So Shyama, tell us that आपने जब अपना project बना लिया, उसके बाद का procedure क्या था?
So Dwanshi, after 24 hours when we successfully completed our projects, we were to present our solution to the technical judges, and in that technical judging round we were given only 7 minutes, 1 minute भी ज़्यादा नहीं, and 5 minutes were there for the Q&A session with the judges. After the technical judging round, we moved to the conference hall. There, 2 teams were selected for one problem statement where we have to present a solution then in front of the NGO peoples, and among those 2 teams, one team was selected as the winner, and guess what? Fortunately, my team was the one.
Well, all of this journey sounds like a feel-good movie. इतना नया experience, इतने नए challenges, and still you guys made it through it. So I guess that is what you need to learn कि आप preparation करते रहिए and opportunities will come and you need to face them as a winner. So thank you all for being here. Thank you. Thank you GL University.